Welcome to Bee House, Hidden Paradise in Ubud. This video gives you an idea where to stay away from mass tourism of Ubud, located in the middle of rice field, quiet and beautiful view, suitable for honeymooners. First time visitor, please click the red button to subscribe. Bee House has only 7 rooms. The first and the last are 1-bedroom pool villa. This is the main restaurant, and this is 1-bedroom pool villa. Deluxe room. This is the deluxe room, lowest category at the Bee House. Complete facility available in this room. Mini bar, mineral water, coffee maker, television and air conditioner. Now let's go to the bathroom. Here is the bathtub with hot and cold water, standing shower and hair dryer. This is the outside view. You can see directly to the garden and the swimming pool. Suite room. The suite room is a duplex with living room on the ground floor, and on the upper floor is the sleeping room. At the upper room you have the sleeping room and the balcony and a standing shower with rain shower also, and a toilet. The view from the balcony is very beautiful, especially today. On the ground floor, it's the living room with the big bathtub. Main pool. This is the view from the middle of the rice field. You can see surrounded it's only a rice field. No children are allowed in Bee House, so they don't have an extra bed. This is a paddy. This is the future of rice, what we eat every day. But before harvest, you have to wait up to 100 days.